Hi everyone, in Algebra 2, so we're going to be going over factoring. So there's two rules for factoring. When you're setting up your factoring, you have to know how to set up your answer, which is going to be in the form of x minus some number and x minus some number, or it can be in the form of x plus some number, x plus some number. There's also one variation where it's one of both, and we're going to go through all of those in this video. So first thing we talk about is this is called quadratic form. In section 5.4 factoring, when you're factoring ax squared plus bx plus c, you always need to start by looking at the back term. So rule number one, if the back term is a plus sign, the answers are going to be the same. And how do you know what they're going to be? Are they going to be plus plus or minus minus? The answer is looking at the b term. If c term is plus, that means they're going to be the same. Rule number one, they're both going to be plus in this case. And the answer is x plus 3, x plus 6. You can't really see the x over here. It's kind of blocked by the setup. But that is the answer. It's x plus 3, x plus 6. I'm trying to move over this. There we go. Next, rule number one is still in effect, but now instead of a plus sign up here, we have a minus sign. So if the back term is a plus, they're the same. If it is a minus, they're both now going to be minus. So it's x minus 4, x minus 2. Now, here's rule number two. When the c term is a minus, doesn't matter what is here, could be a plus, could be a minus. If the c term's a minus, that means they're going to be different. Now, if that's rule number two, here's how we would set up the way to solve this. And when we solve with a minus, there's a little extra work. You have to go off to the side and say, what two numbers multiply to give you negative 21? So negative 21 and 1 give you negative 20 when you combine them. Is that the middle term? No. So it's not going to be x plus 1, x minus 21. So we go through all these options, and that is how you figure out how to factor.